If you've been thinking about starting up a YouTube channel, but you've been waiting for the perfect time, 2025 is the best time to start a YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why. And not just that, I'll walk you through a complete step-by-step setup for your YouTube channel, especially if you want your videos to show up in search and actually get views, leading towards monetization. So whether you're a complete beginner or you've tried YouTube before but gave up, this video will show you how to start strong, grow smart, and get noticed by the SEO. Make sure you watch to the very end because I'm going to drop real gems that most people don't even know about. Let me ask you a question. Have you noticed how more people are watching YouTube even than TV these days? According to recent statistics, YouTube has over 2.7 billion active users. That's almost a third of the entire internet population. But here's what's really exciting. 2025, YouTube is paying more creators than ever through ads, shorts, super stickers, thanks, and memberships. What about brand deals? YouTube content creators are landing a lot of brand deals for themselves where they get to collaborate with brands and then they get juicy pays for it. You don't need a fancy camera or a studio setup. Most viral videos today are shot on smartphones. Just your smartphones, whether Android or iPhone. YouTube now supports AI tools, mobile editing, and faceless channels, meaning that you can actually grow on YouTube without showing your face. If you're watching me right now and you want to grow on YouTube without showing your face, click on this video above here or right here, or you can have access to my course on how to grow a faceless YouTube channel. I have a course specifically designed in depth on how to grow a faceless YouTube channel. Then I have another course specifically designed for everything you need to know about YouTube. You can as well get that course for yourself either in the description box or in the comment section of this video. I know a lot of us want to actually do YouTube, but you feel like YouTube is not your thing because you don't want to show your face, reasons best known to you. YouTube has given you opportunity to use AI tools. There's a lot of AI tools and I mentioned them in my course there that you can actually use to shoot mesmerizing and interesting videos without showing your face. It's going to get a lot of viral views. And to bust your bubbles, AI content is actually what is trending right now. Imagine you opening a YouTube channel dedicated for just faceless YouTube channels and then use AI. Imagine the kind of views you're going to get in 2025. Another reason you should start a YouTube channel is that brands are spending millions on influencer marketing. And YouTube is the most trusted platform for long-form content. Let me even bring this home. Almost all influencers that come to your camera to come and talk about one product or the other, one business or the other, one course or the other, one brand or the other, they're actually not doing those videos for themselves. Brands have paid them millions to actually come and advertise their products. Imagine having a YouTube channel where you grow from scratch till monetization and then you get brands reaching out to you every now and then. Or even imagine you have a small business out there that you're actually doing, but you're not getting enough visibility. Imagine you as a stay-at-home home mom. You learn a course on either drop shipping, you learn a course on content creation, a course on copywriting, or you even learn YouTube itself in general. And then you write a course for yourself. And then you have the YouTube platform where you can actually talk about what you do. Or you are even a hairdresser or you are a dressmaker. And you own a YouTube channel where you can actually advertise your product. Imagine the large amount of people you can actually reach. I know the amount of money I have made for the past 1 year by just putting myself out here on YouTube. Not just on AdSense alone, but on brand deals. And I also come here to talk about my courses. Just like I advertise my course to you right now. You can also open a YouTube channel, have a course for yourself. Write your own course and then you come to your YouTube channel and talk about it. By so doing, you can start making money on YouTube without even getting monetized. You can sell your own course. You can affiliate for affiliate marketing platforms. You can sell digital courses. And this is what YouTube platform is going to give you. And the YouTube platform is going to give you an avenue for you to advertise your product. Advertise digital products and you're going to get commissions. If you've ever wanted to teach, share your stories, entertain, or even build a business, YouTube is the best platform. And guess what? You are not too late. In fact, you are actually early. Because YouTube is favoring small creators currently who follow the rules, stay consistent, understand how SEO works. I think it will do you a favor by subscribing to this channel because as a new creator, I'm going to be carrying you along on this channel. And my channel is focused majorly on small creators like yourself. I'm going to be teaching you all you need to know about the YouTube algorithm. I already have videos on my channel. You can check out this video to know about all you need to know about the algorithm. It's going to open your eyes to a lot of things you need to know on how to get views, how the algorithm works, and how you can actually hack the algorithm to get more views for your videos, even as a new creator. So let me show you how to set up your YouTube channel the right way in 2025. So the first step to open a YouTube channel is to create a Google account, and I'm going to walk you through the steps you need to open a Google account if you don't have a Google account, because that's the major thing you need. So you're going to go to account.google.com, account.google.com. So just tap on this. I already have a Gmail account, so it's basically going to take me to my Gmail account. So there's no need for me to actually click on it. Okay. So if you don't, I believe everyone actually has a Google account, but if you don't have, it's going to lead you to where you're going to tap on create account. Fill in your details and all the necessary things that are required. It's actually a very, very simple and easy step. This is the key that you actually need to access a YouTube channel. Okay, so the next thing, now that you've created a Google account, the next thing is to go to open the YouTube Studio. So for the YouTube Studio, you can actually go to Play Store or your Apple Store and download the Studio app. Studio.youtube.com. So you log in. So this has directly taken me to my studio. So it has taken me to my studio. So over the studio here, you're going to see your dashboard. You're going to see your content, where all your content, if you click on it, you're going to see all the contents you have created, okay, including all the playlists you have. So if you come to the analytics down here, you're going to see your total number of views, okay, in the last 28 days. Okay, you're going to see your top performing content. You're going to see your real time. This is the amount of people that are currently on your channel for the past 48 hours. Okay. So over here in your studio, you're still going to see, okay, if you tap on audience here, you're going to see your audience. You're going to see your popular with new viewers. These are videos that your new viewers have viewed. So you're going to see the device type, where people are watching you from. So for me now, people watch me from mobile, and almost everyone here watches from mobile. Okay, I think people find it more convenient when they watch you from their mobile phone. So I have 4.5% watching from their computer, 1.8% watching from their TV, 0.7% watching from their tablet. Okay, so your YouTube Studio, I'm basically trying to show you what your YouTube Studio will actually do for you, okay, and all the things it's going to reveal to you. So your YouTube Studio will also show you the age of people watching your video. You can see the people watching my video is from the age of 18 to 35 years, because I have actually set my YouTube Studio, my audience, to not be for kids. Okay, so from 18 to 44 years are basically people watching my channel. So we have the gender. So these are basically everything. For us not to waste time, these are basically everything you're going to be seeing. Okay, so if you also come to the YouTube Studio, you can see trends. If you click on trends here, this gives you an insight on the type of topic you can actually trade, or on the type of topic you can actually make to get more views on YouTube. Okay, it shows you topics that are trending in your niche at a particular time. So for me, for this niche, you can see faceless fitness channel is trending. How to make faceless motivational video. Like I told you from the beginning of this video that you can actually make videos on YouTube without showing your face. And you can see even this type of content, faceless content, are actually trending on YouTube. So learning and earning platform. Okay, so you can also make videos teaching people of platform where they can actually use to make money. Though this niche is very, very, dangerous. Okay. So if you come to recent video, this is actually a video from vidIQ. So as a content creator, as a new content creator, you need to download the vidIQ app, because that vidIQ app is one of the most important tools you need to have as a new YouTuber, or even TubeBuddy. They are actually going to give you insight on the kind of topic you should create, whether the topic you've selected is going to be searchable, give you insight on the kind of hashtag that can actually make your video trend. Download the app and you're going to see everything I'm talking about. Okay, so this is basically it. Now, there is more to this YouTube Studio. This YouTube Studio I've shown you right now is basically the mobile app YouTube Studio. There is more to your channel. There's a lot of settings you actually need to set on your channel, like your channel customization, where you're going to see the default setting and everything. Okay, I'm also going to show you that. And where you're going to get that your channel customization and how to actually add playlists on your channel is in your laptop. But then there's actually a way you can actually get those other settings on your mobile phone. Okay, though not through this process. So after creating your YouTube channel, don't forget to upload your picture. You need a very professional picture that can actually make you to stand out as a brand and authority on your channel. Okay, put your banner and everything. Now, ensure you use a clean, clear picture. It must be a picture of yourself or a logo, and that logo must describe what your channel is actually about. And tools like Canva are actually perfect like this. You can also ask ChatGPT to help you design a logo for your channel. Don't forget to give ChatGPT the right prompt if you want it to do it for you. So you can also use Canva to design your channel banner, and the recommended size for your channel banner is 248 times 1152 pixels. Now let's talk about the real gold mine, SEO, which is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization actually help your videos to show up when people search for topics on Google and YouTube. So I'm now going to take you through a detailed setup for YouTube channel, the setup you can actually not get with just your mobile app. So for you to get the full customization setup for your channel, you need to go to YouTube dashboard. So I'm just going to go over to YouTube dashboard. YouTube dashboard. Please ensure if you're using an Android phone, you're supposed to get access to this with your Chrome browser. And if you're using an iPhone, you can actually use your Safari browser to go through this process. So this is my YouTube. So this is YouTube Studio dashboard. I'm just going to tap on it. Okay, so you can see it has taken me straight down to the whole YouTube Studio. So this is basically the whole YouTube Studio. You can see the interface. I can see everything. You can see not all these things. So if you come to this place here, let me zoom in so you can see it more. So if you come down here, you're going to see all of these icons. So the first place you're going to go is your channel customization, where you're going to give in-depth detail of what your channel is all about and some settings that follows it. So if you tap here, you're going to see the channel customization. Under the channel customization, you're going to see your banner. I've talked about this banner. So now this image will appear across the top of your channel. Now for the best results on all devices, use an image that is at least 2048 times 1152 pixels, 6 MB or less, like I said earlier. Okay, so the next thing here showing on this customization is your profile picture. You can see I already have a profile picture here. Like it's basically going to give you instructions on what you're going to do. So the next thing is to choose a channel name that represents you and your content. Okay, changes made to your name and picture are visibly only on YouTube and not other Google services. Okay, so you can see my channel name here, my channel handle. Okay, so YouTube will actually tell you to choose a channel handle for yourself. So just customize it to anyone acceptable, which you like also. Now, you also need a channel description, okay? And it's basically your default channel description. So this channel description is actually very necessary in case you're trying to quickly upload a video and you don't have time to write a description for yourself. So by the time you've actually done this default description, By the time you upload your video, you're still going to get views, even without putting anything in your description box, because by default, you've already set this thing in your studio. So you can see my own description here. Ensure you write ensure you put in a clear description of what your channel is all about. You can just ChatGPT to write a clear description of what your channel is all about. ChatGPT is going to write everything for you, and also give it a prompt that as it is writing it for you, it should add names of popular YouTubers. Okay, a lot of times when you add names of popular YouTubers in your niche and you post a video, the video is also going to get views, and a lot of times it's going to appear where people are searching for names of those YouTubers. Your videos are going to appear as well. That's so beautiful. So you can see, and also include the names of the countries you want your videos to appear. And the truth is that if you're in my niche, especially a niche of YouTube tutorials, and then you get views from US, UK, Canada, India, and you finally get monetized, your CPM is going to be very high. People placing adverts from those countries on your videos actually pay more than people in Nigeria. So if you're watching me from Nigeria or any other country, ensure your description box has in it the countries that you're targeting, to include the necessary keywords that you want your video to rank for. So you can see all that I have imputed in mine. So this also has your channel URL, your channel language. You can just leave it like that. So the next one here is your link. You can see I have inputted the link to all my social media platforms. Okay, my Facebook, my Instagram, my Twitter, my TikTok, and that is it. Now you also add your email in case you start getting brand deals, and in case brands want to reach out to you or anybody wants to collaborate with you, they can actually see something to reach you with. Now, so the next amazing setup you actually need to set up on your channel is the watermark. The way this watermark works is that it's going to give you an automatic clickable subscribe icon. And what this works for is that, now watermark is basically anything you want to appear at the beginning of your video or at the ending of your video. Okay, so it is always recommended that you should use subscribe icon. It is also always recommended that you should use the subscribe button, so that people are always going to be reminded to subscribe to your channel, because a lot of people forget even when they watch an amazing video. Okay, so you can see you're going to have an option where you can actually upload that. So all you need to do is to type on that option to upload it, and just upload that subscribe icon there. Okay, and then you're going to choose whether you want it to appear at the end of the video, custom start time, or the entire video. So choose entire video. ChatGPT suggested I should actually use the entire video, which is actually working. So click on entire video. And that is all for your channel customization.